Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Sharmili Patil, Assistant Professor at Department of Statistics, RCSC College, Kolhapur. So students, today we are going to learn about the regression. In last lecture, we already have discussed about the correlation. The regression is a method of studying the relationship between two variables or more quantitative variables. If two variables are correlated, we can use this correlation for the prediction of variables given the other variables. Since the correlation measures the linear relationship between two variables, we find a linear equation in these variables. In other words, we state the relation in terms of equation of straight line. Using regression equation, one can find relation between advertising expenses and increases in the sales. Similarly, the relationship between sales and profit. We consider the modeling between the dependent and one independent variable. When there is only one independent variable in linear regression model, the model is generally termed as simple linear regression model. In simple linear regression model, there is one dependent variable which is also called as response variable, and there is only one independent variable which is also called as explanatory variable or the predictor variable. The regression equation of y and x. In this case, we assume that the variable y is dependent variable and variable x is independent variable, that is y is dependent on x. Therefore, this line can be used to predict the values of y for known values of x. Suppose the equation of such line is y is equal to a plus bx. Mainly, we need to fix the constants a and b. This can be done by using principle of least square method. By using this method, we can find constants a and b such that a error sum of square is minimum. That is the equation y is equal to a plus bx is equal to y minus y hat. It can be solved as follows, and we get the equation of line y on x as y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Similarly, the regression equation of x and y can be find out. In this case, we assume that the variable x is dependent and variable y is independent. Therefore, this line can be used to predict the values of x for known values of y. The regression equation of y on x is obtained by using the same technique. Thus, we have the regression equation of x on y as follows: x minus x bar is equal to bxy in bracket y minus y bar. So student, this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.